Good day, sir. My name is Calcalalas from BSN1 Barton. My schedule is Monday at 1 to 2 p.m. I'll be reciting today the vision and the mission. Our vision. We envision ourselves to be the leading Catholic educational institution, forming holistic person through globalized academic programs and services for nation buildings. Our mission. We commit ourselves to, number 1, expose Catholic education that fosters inclusivity and innovation for the total formation of a person. Number 2, embrace global standards of leadership in governance, instructions, research, and community extension that transforms a person and the society. Number 3, engineer. A contextualized curriculum that is on a par with international standards and world-class services that enables globally immersed and empowered students. Thank you.